Hi everybody. Today we are going to talk about how to transform prospects into profits. Probably it will be a longer video, so I'm planning to split this into two different videos to make sure that you get the basis of how the prospects can be converted into actually profits, and also to understand what is the huge difference between a person that is saying that is a salesperson and a salesperson that really is capable to close a deal. So that is why we will take step by step all the steps from the sales process, and we will analyze it and see what is important from a salesperson point of view, but mostly what are the benefits and what is the added value of your customers when they interact with you and why they should choose you. So if you are a sales professional in the high-tech manufacturing world, you know the challenges we face daily. Long sales cycles, multiple stakeholders, and justifying a premium prices. But as someone with over 20 years of experience in global manufacturing sales, I'm here to share hard-earned strategies that have helped companies like yours drive more revenues and higher profits. And what if I told you that by mastering techniques like targeted lead generation, need-based selling, and return of investment driven value proposition, you could increase your win rates by at least 25% and shorten the sales cycles by 40%. That's the impact we'll unpack into today's video. So get ready to turn prospects into customers and to make it in a very efficient way. And the first step is lead generation and qualification. It all starts with identifying the right leads. Remember, not every customer is your customer, and that's perfectly fine. The key is to focus on those who are. So let's dive into some concrete examples. I worked with Acme Tech. They leverage digital analytics to really drive their lead quality. They were analyzing online behavior and engagement metrics, and they pointed out companies that were actively searching for aerospace manufacturing solutions. This strategic approach resulted in a remarkable 37% increase in marketing qualified leads. And now let's meet Jane. She was the top sales representative at Acme. She tells us about the power of engaging webinar attendees. By tracking which participants were mostly active and asking the most pertinent questions, and downloaded additional resources, Acme could prioritize these engaged individuals, converting them into high potential sales qualified leads ready for deeper engagement. To cast a wider network, successful lead generation also involves a blend of tactics tailored to where your ideal customers are most active. So this includes like targeted email marketing campaigns that directly address your prospects' most pressing pain points and problems. Integrating platforms like LinkedIn and participating in industry fairs or networking events ensures that you are where your potential clients are, increases the chances of capturing their interest and starting meaningful conversations. The next step is prospecting and needs analysis. Finding leads is just the first step. Connecting with them in a very effective way is where real prospecting begins. According to Gartner, 59% of the buyers prefer to engage with salespersons that really take time to understand their business and industry landscape upfront to their meetings. Mike delved deep into the sustainability challenges facing the energy sector. He made a research and he was trying to understand what will enable to position himself not just as a vendor but as a subject matter expert. This strategy positioning greatly enhanced his credibility and opened up for more meaningful discussions and dialogues with potential customers. Now that we have seen how effective prospecting can set the stage, let's explore how to deepen those engagements. In discovery meetings, for example, the salesperson's role shifts significantly towards listening. It's about understanding the pain points and needs of your prospect deeply. And here the mantra should be to listen 80% of the time and only talk for 20%. Now is the time to take notes and ask insightful questions that prompt your prospects to reveal not just surface level issues, but the core problems they are facing. This is how you align your product or service as the solution they have been looking for. With a solid understanding of your prospect needs, you are now well prepared to tailor your presentations effectively, which we'll dive into next subject. Each segment is designed to engage and inspire you and is tailored specifically for your audience. Let me know if there are other aspects of the sales cycle that you would like to explore together. And take care and see you in my next video. Bye.